So hello guys, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss this GFG problem of the day. Maximum sum of increasing order element from n arrays. So basically what we are given with us, we are given an n arrays and size of each array is m, and we have to find the maximum sum we can obtain by selecting a number from each array such that the element selected from the ith array is more than the element selected from the i minus 1th array. And if it cannot be possible, then we just have to return 0. Now, like here three arrays are given, and what are given condition to us, like if we select 4 from here, then we cannot select 2, 4, 2 or 1 from here, because 1, 2 and 4 are not greater than 4. So we can only select 5 here because 5 is greater than 4. And if we select 5 here, then we can here select 9, cannot select 5, cannot select 1, can select can select 8. So the maximum sum we can get is by selecting 9 9 from this, 5 from this, and 4 from this, 4 from this. So the sum is equal to 18. Similarly, from here, if we select the minimum element like 7, then we does not have any element that we can select from the second array who is greater than 7. So we just return 0 as our answer. So this is our problem. Now let's focus on the code. So we take two, we are given a function, we are given this vector of vector a, we are given the size of each vector m, and we are given the size of the number of all vectors n. So we take two variable, sum and last int max. So we are traversing array in reverse order. First we select from this, then from this, and then from the last. You can see I run a loop from I is equal to n minus 1 to I greater than or is equal to 0, and I do I minus minus. And why I do last is equal to int max, because after this I suppose I have the maximum number that I can select. So okay, because I have to find the maximum number of this array that is minimum than this number. Okay, so and I take num select is the number that I will select from a ith vector, and I run a loop for I is equal to 0 to j less than m. And if my number is less than last, then what I do, I will make it I will select like num select is equal to maximum num select or that number. And if after completing this for loop of j, I cannot be able to select any number which is greater than my which is smaller than my last number, then I just return 0. Okay, and else while I add in my sum is the variable that I took for taking my storing my all the sums. Yet I will add this number is my sum, and I will modify the variable last with the help of num select, and at last I just return sum. So this is a very easy problem. As you all can see, tag is also easy, you can see. So it's completed. So as you can see, I have already submitted that, so count is equal to 2. It's passed all the test cases, so time taken is also very good. So I hope you understand it, and if you understand it, then please like the channel, like the video, and subscribe the channel, because in future you will find many amazing coding content. And check out the other playlist of my channel also, like lead code, daily problem, and GFG problem of the day solution. So thank you for watching this, guys. Thanks a lot.